Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some country inspired home decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Country inspired home decor is a warm, welcoming interior style that draws inspiration from rural life, traditional farmhouses and nature. It focuses on comfort, simplicity, and a lived-in, cozy feeling rather than perfection. Key characteristics of country-inspired home decor: natural materials: wood, stone, cotton, linen, jute, and wicker are essential. Furniture often looks handcrafted or slightly aged. Soft, earthy color palette: warm whites, green, beige, soft greens, muted blues, dusty pink, and gentle browns create a calm, natural look. Comfortable, practical furniture: think wooden tables, open shelves, cozy sofas, rocking chairs, and furniture designed for everyday living. Vintage and rustic touches: antique fans, distressed finishes, enamelware, old clocks, ceramic jars, and handmade accessories add charm and history. Textiles with character: floral prints, checks, stripes, patchwork, crochet, and lace are commonly used in curtains, cushions, and table linens. Nature-inspired decor: fresh flowers, dried herbs, greenery, baskets, and botanical prints bring the outdoors inside. Warm, inviting atmosphere, soft lighting, candles, and layered textures help create a cozy, relaxed environment. Styling and layering tips: layer textures generously. Mix wood, linen, cotton, crochet, and ceramics to add depth and softness. Avoid matching everything. Slight imperfections and variety make the space feel authentic. Use open shelving to display everyday items like cups, bowls, jars, and baskets. Color and finish tips: choose chunky, matte finishes instead of glossy ones for walls and furniture. Embrace softly faded colors that look sun-washed rather than bright or bold. Add contrast with dark wood accents or black iron hardware. Furniture and wood elements: prefer solid wood furniture with visible grain, knots, or wear. Repurpose old furniture: paint it, distress it lightly, or leave it raw. Use firm tables, benches, and leather shelves for an authentic country feel. Accessories and decorations: Decorate with open baskets for both storage and style. Use ceramic pictures, enamelware, and clay pots for decorative accents. Hang vintage sinks, framed botanical prints, or countryside artwork. Window and wall decor. Choose light, airy curtains, cotton, muslin, or lace work beautifully. Add wooden shutters, bedboard, or wall paneling if possible. Create gallery walls with a mix of wood frames, mirrors, and simple art. Nature and seasonal touches. Change small decor items with the season. Flowers, cushions, table linens. Display fresh flowers, dried woods, lavender, or eucalyptus. Bring in natural scents like herbs, beeswax candles, or soft florals. Thanks for watching this video.